I love Thai food, but after a few days, it's time to switch it up a bit.
Greedy. You ain't got no better food like some chicken wings, some baby back ribs, some fries or something?
Thai food.
No soul food here.
Soul food in Thailand, maybe. But soul food in Pattaya? Really?
Man, you got to be kidding me.
Sliding down Soi Buakhoa with the homie Tone Polo Travel Solo, and we are on a mission. Nah, we just fucking around.
What a guy.
The only real mission today is just to get a few steps in and find some really good food.
Yeah, see, those are the ones they give to the Buddha.
We were told about a spot that had some super good pizza, so we decided to go investigate. Here we are at Bronx Pizza, and this place is perfectly located on Soi Buakhoa. It's perfectly priced, very affordable, and it's 5 o'clock. Man, they perfectly closed. So we gotta figure something else out. After all that, me and the homie are getting a little impatient.
Where are we about to eat at?
Don't worry,
A few moments later.
I know a place.
Soi Bistro.
Gonna come down or not?
Man, just had another bomb meal at the Soi Bistro with me and Tone. Pop back out here to get this again, man. This food is delicious. We had a couple of starters. Sauce? No sauce? You know I had to have that watermelon smoothie. I had the chicken and waffles. Amazing. Tone had a burger.
This is a tasty burger.
I had to come back. I ate here the other day with Keys, man.
This shrimp and grits is banging. Lemon pepper wings is banging.
That shrimp and grits is unmatched, and the cornbread wasn't bad. PT was just like Granny's.
And I'll have the number 8. That's a party platter. It serves 12 people. I know what I'm about, son.
The next morning.
If you're looking to step it up a notch and looking for a little more upscale vibe, then you're looking for Qulture. Qulture Lounge. This place is nice. Yeah, nice like where you take your main and not the side piece. Let's go upstairs and check out the upper level.
And we're high. All we want to do is have a good time. Young, wild, and reckless is how we live life. Pray that we make it to 21.
Now, if you're with the homies or a large group, or you find yourself needing a whole lot of space, this is the place to bring them. Or if you're just balling out of control and want some privacy, then hey, you can rent out the whole upstairs for yourself. Let's get a boss eye view. Yeah, this place is special, really special. The ambiance in this place is really nice. But there's nothing that compares to the actual food. Let's check out the food. That's a butter pecan pancake in Thailand.
I'm glad we was able to talk
Yeah,
about
me and
her
Tone
rights
eating
and her
up some
views.
shit today.
There's an
So you got the
even
beef
more important
sauce, right?
topic I'd like to discuss.
Yeah.
The dysfunctional bastards of the Ronald Reagan.
I had the croffle and
young men that learned
Chicken
to be
sausage.
Delicious.
your generation.
Feel like I'm getting my first real breakfast.
Yeah, since I've been here, man.
I ain't going to All we want to do is have a good time. Young, wild, and reckless is how we live life. Pray that we make it to 21. Oh, we make it to 21.
great breakfast. It's time to get back to the foolishness. But if you like these food vlogs, please let me know down in the comments. I can do a few more from a few different countries showing you where to eat. Other than that, as always, thanks for watching.